Hello everyone. Welcome to MulteArts. I hope you can hear me. Yeah. Okay. Hello. So welcome to MulteArts. MulteArts is an academy which basically started with an intention of a concept called Be a Versatile. So in this, MulteArts wanted to give all the courses that are available in the market through a platform. And we started with arts, and right now we have also ventured into multi academy, and I congratulate MulteArts on that. So going to today's topic, today I am going to explain you why are hobbies important and why particularly art forms are important for basically kids, also teenagers, and also for everybody. So we at MulteArts, we don't only target kids, we also teach everyone. We have trainer sessions, and you can earn after you learn from MulteArts. You will be a certified trainer. So when we're talking about why hobbies are important, why art forms are important. So I am Radha Gayathri, and I teach various forms of art forms. I'll tell you each and every art form in detail. I just wanted you to know and understand how many art forms that I teach, and basically I'll give you some small information regarding what I do. And also, hobbies are really important for each and every person. In fact, the basic thing is when we study art, okay, the physical stress that we have got in our daily life every day, we go through so many activities, and all these activities give us so much stress. We feel that kids are not undergoing stress, or maybe sometimes we understand, but still we give them lots of stress. So what is the platform they express the stress? How is that they release the stress? So some parents will be asking me, how does an art form releases the stress? Yes, how does the art form releases the stress is uh, basically when a kid can express himself outside, when a kid can uh, let out his emotions, he will be released from the stress. So basically we are also whenever we want to release our stress, what we do our favorite things. Like, you all know about hobbies, so we do the favorite things. Somebody is interested in painting, somebody is interested in knitting, somebody is interested in many other things. So some people like sports, some people like swimming, some people like, so why we choose art forms? So everybody is having a certain set of interest and certain stress relieving. So not everybody, every time we can go swim, we can go do everything. So art forms are where you can represent your inner thoughts outside. Yes. So how see what is that, like only drawing we do, only things we do. So there, how a person can understand really what exactly is drawing. So if I can't draw a face, if I can't draw my emotions, if I can't draw in fine arts, is it like I am not fit for drawing? No. So there are also expressions, especially I'll give you some examples. There is a traditional art called Varli art. This is basically a tribe from Maharashtra or North India. So this specifically, these people are the tribe where they can express their daily life, their happiness, their daily activities, their farming culture, everything in the form of art. They have their own motives, they have own designs, they have their own particular way they represent the daily life or the happiness or whatever the celebrations that they're doing. So how do they do? They don't give the total fine art expressions. They don't do watercoloring. They don't do oil painting, canvas painting. See, these are also art forms. Yes, but still we have a different types of emotions that we express. So especially in this Varli, what they do is they have triangular shapes, basically geographical shapes. Using the geographical shapes, using some more little biological shapes or organic shapes. So what they do is they represent their world. This used to be confined to themselves. So then what happened is they used to paint on walls. They used ochre and then rice flour to represent. Right now it came into existence and availability for everybody. Now if a kid and few of the places where you go, they are using the same motif, they're using the same concept of the Varli representation. And when they wanted to represent their own brand or own identity, they're using this motif and creating a um, logo or creating a advertisement or creating some drawing, and they're posting it, or they're creating a posters or whatever. So this is one Varli. And then we come to Madhubani. Madhubani, we basically have fishes, we basically all these nature related things, and gods and goddess, basically Hindu mythology. So Mithila is the base space where it started from. And we will learn more about all these things in the art forms that I teach. Basically, you can see some of in my background. If it is not clear, it's okay. So I kept when I teach kids get motivated when they can see, when they feel that they can be represented, like they can represent their work in their home, they can display. So when also when kids display what they know and people start appreciating them, the level of confidence starts increasing. So hobbies are basically for stress relief, confidence building. Also, the one more important thing, that is patience. When art forms are done, when any drawing is done, when crayons art is done, when anything you represent yourself. So not only letting out the emotion, it also helps you in building confidence and patience. You will be confident that, yes, I know something, I can represent myself. And also patience. How do you get patience? So when we draw it slowly, when we want it a neat finishing or a perfect thing that we can display, so people start creating time, investing time in something really important, which helps them to exert their stress. Or kids start loving to draw. Basically, when we were kids, we started it with a house, mountains, trees, and everything. But these days, kids are really intelligent. They're very, very. We've given them so many opportunities. Parents are giving them so many opportunities to explore themselves. Especially now, doodling is one of the art forms that I teach. What exactly is doodling? Doodling these days has involved the rectangles. So they have involved all these designs or all the kinds of designs they have put in one thing, and then there's teaching. Yes, doodling is the way of expression without lifting your pen, and then there will be drawings, motifs, and everything. Cartoons, and so many things we will be involving. We will learn. We say doodle, but we teach so many things in doodling. I'll give you an example. This is a perfect glass art. So this is basically glass art. So I teach this on a OHP sheet, which is kids free. I wanted to show you some more these things. This is also a glass art, which I teach on OHP sheets specifically for kids, which will help the kid like glass is not so recommended because it will break fast or something. So we don't know how to teach kids. Yeah, we use OHP sheet to teach the glass art. This is called music of nature. Sorry, music of nature. So this is called concept doodling. After we teach we teach doodling. Okay, we use some concept. We use so many concepts. We have more than 25, 30, and we ask the kids to create their own concept. They can ask us like, ma'am, I have this concept, how to use doodles in that. So in the class, they get the concept. We create doodles for each. So how is this helpful for them? This is like not only stress relief, not only confidence, not only patience. There is one more thing I want to add. The one more thing that I want to add is there can design posters. Now, many of you might be involving your kids in many programs like Scratch, Python, or many companies are also giving them coding and everything. What is the base of it? Kids should have innovation. Kids should be creative. Until and unless they know something to create, they don't know the pattern, they don't know the base, it will be difficult for them to understand what the other person is teaching. Art is a form where it is a digital connectivity between your brain and imagination. So here, when you imagine something, when you can imagine a flow of water from the mountain, you know there are various forms where you can represent them. Yes, so I will teach you so many forms. So either in Madhubani or in Varli or in glass art or in doodles or in doodle concepts or on crayons, if you can see. This is one of our childhood favorite doodles. Crayons art. This is very common one I wanted to show you. So kids will love. So the age we start teaching from the age of 4 years, 4.5 years. So from 4.5 years to there is no limit. So there are batches in MulteArts where we have so many art forms. You can contact Ms. Gayathri. So she will be explaining you what are the art forms that we teach at MulteArts. Not only art forms. So today my topic was because I am an art forms trainer. I have given you so much information about art forms. But there are trainers we are also having on yoga, crochet, and Scratch, Python. Also, there are a couple of other things that MulteArts teach. We're also into academics. We have after school classes. So please follow us on Facebook, Instagram, MulteArts. So here we give all sorts of training to the kids. Once you enter the MulteArts platform, your kid don't need to go anywhere in search of what they have to learn, where they have to learn. We have Bharatanatyam. We have introduced music, classical music, Western dance. So your child, you don't need to search for a teacher or a trainer anywhere else. Here, whoever it is, they are certified. They have so many years of experience. So they know your child, they will understand your child, they will suggest. So in case if you want to also change like from one platform, like one art form to another form, so that you don't need to go and Google it, what are the nearby places where do we find trainers. MulteArts is one of the best place. So thank you for giving this opportunity to me for today to tell about many of the art forms. I have given you a very brief, very brief introduction. To know more about this, please do contact us. Also, there will be some demos, there are some camps, there are some workshops that will be going on, and we give more information. Please do log into our website also. And welcome home, MulteArts, be versatile. Thank you.